Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon and we're going to Georgie's house or in apartment with Dion.
Hi.
And it's also traffic right now and we're going to in Balibago.
Yes, it's near MC Cafe. Not so traffic now. Sunset right now. American dollar 55.10. We turning to Narcissa Street. This is new club Eureka.
It's Korean.
Yes, Korean. This is already near Georgie apartment. Oh, a little bit fixed road. It's good.
Hi guys, we're here in the apartment of Georgie already and we're just waiting for him to go outside because we will take him in airport because he going to Thailand and we don't know when he come back and what he will do there and what he will what place he will go. It's so secret.
I know what is secret now.
But I don't know.
Because if we say, maybe someone shocked why Georgie go to this place.
Yes.
Maybe not, we don't know.
But I don't know. But you can hear the surrounding right now. It's so loudy because it's like Christmas party right now.
Everywhere Christmas
Yes.
party.
I can sing like this, more noisy.
Yeah. You can sing, Shire. When I already put, you can sing song, maybe in karaoke, because already 30,000 subscribers. We have already 30. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for watching and for subscribe. Really, I'm shocked for fast have 30,000, but I not expected. For me, 30, 10, it's okay. Important for me, it's if you like channel.
Yes, even Leon feel not good or sick, we always do some video also. We just
Oh, wait, it's noisy motor.
that's why we rent some people to take some video. That's why we can take more video.
Georgie walk faster, but I cannot say, oh, Georgie, please slowly. He can walk how he can. I cannot say, oh, Georgie, please slowly. No, I cannot say, because he likes faster. It's okay. Next my video, of course, I will walk slowly. And who Filipino walk in walking street, you know, it's this last Saturday. He slowly walk. I think quality is good, and you can see faces in the walking street also.
But we not take some video from Friday? Or maybe?
I don't know, I not remember Friday.
It's okay, but we take always video from the street as you wish, guys.
Вот Шайра дует.
Why you cannot see my face? Because it's burning.
Georgi already. No reception. I already say.
Yes.
Georgi, you're going to Thailand.
Yes.
I not expect it really. If I need, so you go to Thailand. So you feel better already? What you think? Because yesterday you said you not good feel.
Yes, I feel better. But after night, when I wake up in the morning, I feel worse.
Mhm.
So I don't know what.
So even today you don't know you go to Thailand or you not go to Thailand.
Yes, I wake up today, I feel worse. I think, oh, maybe I don't go. But later I decide to go.
Not cold for you. You have another clothes, jacket. You have
It's okay.
because in Thailand maybe not so hot in the airport also. So okay. I hope you're okay into Thailand. I not say to our subscribers what you want to do in Thailand.
Take off
When
the clothes.
Huh?
oh, yeah, Georgi not use he use jeans. Yeah, good looking.
Look right now.
So when you come back from the Thailand, you explain to us and to our subscribers what you want to do, what you're doing in Thailand. Because I not say it's like a secret, okay? You can, if you can, little bit you can take video, little bit, even your phone, I can put little bit your video, okay? Okay, let's go. We already in airport with Georgi, with Shaira. Not good video. Georgi arrive airport. Okay, let's go. Oh, little bit fresh air here. It's not hot. Not hot. I think Georgi need to jacket. Georgi, you can take my jacket because cold maybe in airport. I take for you this one. You take jacket. Yes, you can try. It's maybe your size. If fit for you, you can use. Even little bit bigger, it's not problem. But have hood, you can use.
Bigger is better.
Yeah. Yeah, it's better. If cold, you can. Yeah, it's okay. Good. In airport cold, in airplane also cold. Yeah. Not need to remove now. You can use already now. You can use. Okay, let's go to airport. Avisos entrance. What is this? What is Shaira? Oh, but why you use Shaira? Oh, I also with. It's funny application. You like this one?
What?
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the airport. Oh, but where gate? Here, entrance. Where, Shaira? Shaira, faster. Soon your flight. Your flight to Mabalakat. Passport, Georgi, passport. You can show your passport.
International
Yeah.
flight?
Yes.
Just passport, sir. Thank you.
We together.
Yes, okay.
Please, thank you. Yes.
Wala kang stop.
Aircon.
Here.
Huh? Yes, car here.
Right there?
Yes. After 5 minutes only. I take video in 5 minutes. Ready for Christmas? Oh, Georgi, little bit cold. Yeah, I better use now jacket already.
I'm afraid if I get wet.
No, not hot here, not hot. You want to check in now?
Why you need to focus here?
Okay, already check in?
Yes. I cannot do this. Oh no.
What happened?
The same. I try in internet. If they give me the
Uh-huh.
same.
I don't have people, it's okay, you can.
I don't mind this.
Cebu Pacific, Georgi, yes? $650. Clark, Bangkok.
Yes.
16F, it's maybe near window.
Oh, и это.
A, B, C, D, E. Depend of airplane. Okay, Georgi. See you in January.
Yes, I think.
Okay, Georgi. Take care, safe flight. Little bit cold inside. What do you think, Shaira? Cold for you?
No?
Not so cold?
Normal.
It's time now 6:30. 6:30.
Tayo naman.
Blue taxi, so many.
Not so many. 6 only.
No, 6, it's okay. So many. Outside, good weather in the Philippines right now.
Not cold.
Yeah,
not hot.
not hot. Yeah.
But more colder.
For you cold, I know. Oh, car so dirty. Don't have time for clean. Okay. Our flight to Mavalakat City, Shaira.
Yes.
What you need to say, Shaira?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
We will wait Georgi when he come back from Thailand, and we can explain what he do it in Thailand. Now it's little bit a secret, so Shaira don't know, but I know. Shaira, if I say to you, maybe you're a little bit shocked. Thailand is big. Okay, thank you for watching.